You are very funny. You see, you are
I can be
Kelechi.
very naughty. Oh
Oh
my
my
god.
god.
Crazy.
I was laughing when she was singing.
You don't want to know.
I tell you.
Ah.
What is What? Ioma is back, oh. Hey! Look at Ioma. Welcome.
Thank you. Is this you?
Yes.
So many years.
Hey, I've missed you, but I just came in and decided to come and see you guys. I missed you too. Hey, look at you. See, you're looking fine, oh. Hey, look at her hair. Look at her dress, her shoes. Hey, she has started again. You're looking fine, oh. Allow me to learn. Before you start admiring.
Don't mind her. Before you know it, she'll tell you the one to pull and the one not to pull. My dear,
Hey, you're welcome.
Please.
Come and sit down.
You're looking so fresh.
Hey.
So fresh.
Oh,
babe.
Hey, this ha. Ihu. Where is Mama? Oh, Mama, she's fine, but she went to the market. It's been long I saw her.
Babe.
She's fine.
See how you are fresh. Chai, I am definitely following you to the city this time.
You will follow me. In fact, two of you will follow me back to the city.
Mama.
You are no, please, count me out. Both of you can go. I'm fine here. This is my base.
Look, village woman.
She's still the same.
She will never change.
No, I pin here. Ew. You're looking good. Me? You're looking sick.
Son, I was told you need to see me.
Yes, Father.
My husband, there is a problem.
What kind of problem? Go ahead and tell me.
My husband, our son can no longer have erection.
What? How dare you alter such abomination? Nah, come. Is that true?
Yes, Father. And I've noticed that for the past 3 days.
You're not serious. How on this earth do you expect me to believe such nonsense? All of a sudden?
Your Majesty, this is not the right time for all this. This is a serious matter. Let's think of how to help him before it gets out of hand.
Well, I already called the family doctor. He said I should come see him later today.
That's very good. You need to find out first what is wrong. Maybe it's a minor situation.
Exactly. Son, you will have to get ready immediately. Let me take you there myself. Okay?
First, you must leave immediately.
I'll take you there myself, don't worry. I'll drive. Okay?
That shall never end. So, Kamara, it has gotten to the extent of you saying such rubbish with the prince's name.
My sister, please help me tell her. I have been warning her to desist from saying such rubbish. She might just get herself killed.
Killed, kwa? Get killed, how? I cannot be killed now because I'm saying the truth.
Ezioku, truth teller. Okay, so you think for 1 minute that the prince will look your direction?
Ask her. With this your ancient pattern of lifestyle, you think the prince will leave all the noble women and settle for you? My dear, such things happen in folktale, not in reality. So you better wake up now. Ugoloma will bear me witness that I'm not lying. Shut up! Shut up! How dare you utter such abomination?
Maybe she wants Ugoloma to strike her dead.
Even my own friends do not believe me. Kamara, the earlier you wake up from this, your dream, the better for you. Stop dreaming.
Look, Kamara, I know and I understand that you're so obsessed about wealth. Yes. Perhaps it's because you want to make money and help your family out of a bad situation. It's okay. But I don't want you doing things that will get you into trouble that you won't be able to come out from. You want to go?
Yeah. The both of you are very sick.
Yeah?
I won't sit down here and listen to this nonsense.
Kamara, come back.
She's going.
I know, she's going. She will go. Why won't she? Why will we not believe in her? I'll go, Joe.
Wow. This is serious. Anyway, I'll soon be going. Maybe after you tell her that I'll be going back to the city by weekend.
Okay, but how far with what I told you about now?
I need to get back to the city first and secure a job for you. Once I find it, I will come back and carry you.
Okay, that would be nice. Thank you so much, Ioma. Thank you. All right, let me walk you to the gate.
That would be very nice.
Thank you, dear. Mama, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Welcome, my daughter.
Thank you, Mama.
Sit. How are your friends that you went to visit?
They are fine, Mama.
And Mama Kamara. Hope she's fine too.
She's fine.
Now that you are home, there's something I want us to discuss.
Mama. Can't it wait? Is that the reason you sat by the gate?
Do you know that the prince will soon be getting married?
Okay. Congratulations to the prince. Who is the lucky girl?
There is no lucky girl. I learned that the queen brought somebody, but the Onowu and the king are insisting on the tradition.
What tradition, Mama? Is it that Ugoloma folktale?
It's not a folktale. It is real.
That means you and Kamara are daydreaming. I'm just coming from Kamara's place and she told me the ego perched on her.
What? Did she say that?
Yes. She said that and she's serious about it.
That girl must be insane.
The same thing I just told her. But it seems both of you are taking the same side.
How?
Mama, since both of you are believing the same thing, it's okay. Good luck to the prince.
I'm not done talking. Do you think I called you home so that you come and eat and then after eating you will leave? You have to be the woman for the prince.
Mama. You just told me about the Ugoloma ego.
And so?
Mama, because I can't remember telling you any ego perched on me. Mama, please. Thank you.
That ego must perch on you by force. Don't try me, oh. You must perch on me. Let's try something.
Why? Why do you always scare me?
No. I don't always scare you. It's just that you get startled because you think a lot.
Really?
Yes. So now tell me, what is that you always think about?
You really want to know?
Yes, I do, because I care.
You know, people actually see me as strange. And right now, everything that is happening to me just seems really strange. It's so complicated that no one can even understand it, not even you. People think I'm insane. But
Don't worry, you won't understand.
Very well then. I do understand you. Even though you talk in riddle, I really get where you're going to. But can you kindly tell me what the problem is?
Like I said, no matter what I say and how I say it, you will still not understand me. Nobody does.
Sure. It's strange.
Yeah. So, can we just forget about me for now? Let's talk about you. So, tell me, what do you want to do with the land you want to purchase?
Oh, that? I want to use it for a fish pond.
Fish pond?
Yeah.
Wow, that's nice.
Yes, where fish will be dried, packed in cartons for export.
Really?
Yeah.
Ah, that's huge, oh. Really huge.
Of course.
Wow.
Let's see how it goes.
Wow. So why did you decide to do this in our community? You know this would bring a lot of development to us.
Yes. So do you really want to know why I chose your community to be the best place for my business?
Yes, because if you ask me, we are really lucky that you chose us.
Okay, Dad. I will tell you. But first, you need to answer my questions. Why do you do the things you do that way?
The earlier you understand that this man doesn't love you, the better for you. Can you just shut up if you don't know anything to say? Alright. Sorry, ma.
It could be network. You know the nature of his job. I'm very sure the village he went to, there is no network. And I'm also sure that he's trying to reach out to me.
I hope so.
I don't understand. You begin to sound as if you know something I don't know. Like something I am not aware of.
Something like what?
You should tell me. Tell me what you know. Tell me.
Madam Abeg, please do not drag me into your problem, okay?
I don't know why you hate him.
And what makes you think that I hate him? I don't hate him. I am not happy the way he's stressing you simply because you love him. Pico, I should man up.
Babe, I am not complaining. There's no perfect relationship. Yes.
Okay. Lover girl, kill yourself with love.
Please, rest. I don't know why I bother myself telling you something.
Whatever.
But the result says you are okay.
Father, that is the problem. The result says I am fine. But I know I am not fine. I'm not.
Hey! My enemies are finally at work. They are at work. No, my enemies have gotten me.
My queen, please calm down. Yes, I know there is a problem, but I believe it from the depth of my heart that there is something we can do about this.
What? Oh no. What? Just tell me. What do you think we should do when my son is obviously not well?
There is something we can do. Something must be done. I know it.
Father, I cannot remain like this. I cannot. I mean, how?
Don't worry, son. Everything will be okay. I'm certain about that. Woman, put yourself together. You may leave Ono and I now to discuss.
Excuse me, Your Majesty.
Onyeze, what exactly are you going to do about this?
Oh no, I must confess. I am as confused as something that I cannot describe.
Because of our land.
Why are all these things happening to my son?
But even at that, Onyeze, I still believe there is something we can still do.
Oh no, we need to act fast. Who knows the next plan of the enemy? We need to act fast.
Don't worry. I will lock it later at night. Let me bring you.
You're back.
Mama.
Eh?
Mama, good afternoon.
You're
Yes.
welcome.
Thank you. Thank you.
Good afternoon, ma.
No. Who is this young man with you?
Mama, he's my new friend. His name is Goziora.
New friend, kwa? Eh?
Yes.
Yes, ma. I'm Goziora. I'm from Mpo.
Ewo, Mpo nke anya. Ọ dịkwa nso. Onu Mpo.
Yes, mama.
Wait, you mean you came all the way from Mpo to visit my daughter also?
Not really. I came in here for a project before I met her.
Project?
Yes.
What project?
Mama. Mama, take it easy on him now. He just got here. You've not even offered him a seat.
Anyway, it's just that I'm trying to know him better. Now you're welcome. You will attend to him while I rush to the market to buy one or two things.
Okay, Mom. No problem, Mama.
You're welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.
Let me get you a seat.
Yeah, okay.
Get you something to eat.
All right. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Good afternoon.
How are you doing?
I'm fine, oh.
Good afternoon, Kamara.
Is there somebody else here? Is it me you just talked to? You greeted me today. Hey, I will celebrate now. You opened your mouth to tell me good afternoon. Ha! This afternoon must be good, though. Gods of our land, I thank you.
Kamara,
Yeah.
why are you behaving like this now? Is it that I cannot greet you again?
Have you greeted? When last did we greet each other? Even if I greet you, do you answer me? Why will I not be surprised? Why?
Things change.
Oh, today will be a good day. Oh. Anyway, you both have a great day.
Kamara. Actually, we are looking for you.
Looking for me? Yes. Can you be looking for me? This is not even my house.
And that is true. You see, the thing is that we need a favor from you.
Me? Kamara? Favor? What kind of favor can I possibly do for you both?
Kamara, it is about Gosiora, the young man that wants to buy land from the both of us.
What about him?
Kaka. The thing is that, the land we want to sell to him is not ours.
Somehow.
And you know what we are into now? We are into land racketeering.
And you're proud to say it to me. You're proud to talk about it.
Kamara, it's not like we are proud or we love duping people.
No.
It's not like that. It's just that this man in question is loaded. Very loaded. So we just want to extort some money from him.
Something.
So how does that concern me? How is it my business?
Yes. We learned that he's
taking interest in you.
My dear.
Hey! Mwah! So we just want to, talk now so that you join us.
Mhm.
We work together so that you will convince this man. Go with ego.
So both of you have looked at me and I look like someone you can draw into your evil deeds.
No.
So I can join you in doing evil, right?
No. It's not like that. Kamara, this is really not an evil deed. It's just another means of making money.
Just
legit way. See, okay. Let us do it this way. Kamara, we will give you 50% of whatever we make from this man. 50%. The remaining 50%, two of us will share. You can take the lion's share.
Yes. So, you actually think you can convince me to join you? Did you check well before coming to meet me to tell me this thing? Did you even think? Please, you just came to the wrong person and I'm sure you both know. I'm not interested.
Kamara, think about it now. We will change your life, oh.
I knew it. This girl is very dull. Very dull. And this is one of the reasons why I hate her so much. It's okay. See, let us go. Let her continue to wallow in her poverty.
Chico, listen, it's not like we are doing the right thing. Let's just give her some time. Wine.
They will come. She will come back.
This one.
She will come back. Yeah. This one is just initial gara. She will come back.
My friends, you tell me you love me, yet you treat me like an option. That's not fair.
Cassie, please. Don't start. Don't start with me right now. I have lots of things on my mind. My mind is full of stuff. And the last thing I want to do is accommodate your voice. There is no space for it. Please.
So, are you telling me that me telling you how I feel is a disturbance to you?
Yeah. Because you're bored. You're bored. And I cannot entertain your boredom. Maybe you should go and see my mom. Because she has time for you to listen to your yaps and your ranting. She will entertain you, not me.
My prince, I don't need to go see your mother. I mean, you are the reason I am here. It's not your mom I am getting married to.
As if I don't know that. I know it. Look, Cassie. You're a pretty lady. And you're perfect, well, almost perfect. You have almost everything any man would want. So why don't you just go find that man and leave me alone? Right? I know the gods have chosen you and all the 9 yards. But I don't feel the same. Let it register. I do not feel the same. There is something wrong somewhere in the matrix. Something wrong.
My prince, I know you were saying all these things because of what it is you are going through. But I want you to know that I will always love you forever. I will cherish you forever, like you will always be in my heart forever.
Enough! 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 What is it? Why? Am I the only man on earth? What is it? Haven't I tried to love you? Have I not tried? Didn't I try? Yes, I've tried. I haven't tried. Say I haven't tried. I have tried. Shut up. I've tried enough. Go find somebody else. Find another man. Go and drown yourself. Throw yourself at somebody. I'm tired. Okay? I have tried. And I'm done. Okay? I've tried.
My prince, what I am just trying... My prince. My prince. What is going on?
I'm not your prince. Don't call me that.
I haven't done anything wrong. I am
what he is going through.
Whatever I say is final. As long as I am consigned in this house, you must listen to me. Let me tell you, you must accept Gosiora. As far as I am consigned in this house, you must accept him.
Mama, what is it now? What is it now? What's going on here? I don't want to marry Gosiora now. What is it? Mama, it's like you don't understand what I'm saying. I am the chosen bride for the prince, Mama. That's who I am.
Look at you. Dreamer, wake up from your dream. Eh? You think you're getting any younger? You are not getting any younger. Until you get old in your father's house, then you will understand what I am talking about. You're the chosen bride for the prince.
Mama, love is not by force now. I mean, it's love by force. I don't love Gosiora. I don't want to marry him. It's not by force. Love is not by force.
Ozo, you have to learn to love by force this time around. Get ready to go with him because he is our only chance of escaping this poverty-stricken life. Yes, he's our only chance. Lucky chance.
Hey. Mama, so is my happiness that you now want to sacrifice for poverty to be eliminated from this family? My own happiness?
Are you not tired of poverty? Are you not tired of poverty, Kanjogi? Eating from hand to mouth, are you not tired of it? Let me tell you, whatever you like, say. I am your mother. I gave birth to you. You must accept him. Except I did not give birth to you. Except you are not my daughter. You must marry him. I was going down. You must accept him.
Hey. What's going on? What's happening to my mother? Is it by force? Or has this man bribed her? Because this is too much now. Just for one man, she's fighting her own. Love is not by force, so. It's not by force. In fact, that Gosiora, let me even go and look for him and warn him. What kind of nonsense is this now? Does he want to bring trouble in my home, my family, or what?
When there's a problem. There is a problem.
What is the problem?
My queen. Now I know why the prince has refused to touch me. He's having weak erection.
Shut up! Shut up! Anyway, it's true. It's true. We've been battling with it for some time. We're trying to find solution. We never wanted to bother you about it. But now you know. You have to keep it a secret.
What? No. I'm not understanding this. Keep what a secret, my queen. How could you? You mean you knew about this and you did not even bother to let me know? Maybe what will my mother say if she gets to hear about this?
Your what? Don't even try it. Don't try it. Don't mention it. Don't discuss it. Don't even think about it. You should learn how to keep a secret. This is about my son. Your husband-to-be. Do you understand?
Hey! Ewo! See. Your Majesty, there's nothing that is wrong with your son. Okamado. It's like you don't understand what I am telling you. Are you also confused? My son has not been having erection for a very long time now. And you are telling me all is well. Your Highness, like I said before, your son is alright. There's nothing wrong with him. He is the Ugoloma, the central deity, that did it that way so that he cannot penetrate the wrong woman. The very moment he comes in contact with the right woman, he shall gain his erection. This is strange. Very strange. How do I explain this? Anyways, it's all right. So, when is the right woman going to come? Where can we find her? She's closer to you than you can imagine. Tell your son to go to Goloma's stream first thing tomorrow morning. The answer will be there waiting for him. But one thing, he must go alone. Nobody will go with him. Okamado, I must confess, this one is bigger than my head. Well, there is no problem. The gods are wise. Go, do not worry. The gods are with your son. He say...
Your Majesty. Your Majesty. This is unlike you. You're keeping your calm so much concerning our son's issue. Is there no solution? Are we just going to watch him suffer?
Woman, allow me to think. I told you not to worry, that I have everything under control.
Of course, Your Majesty, I'm sorry. Just that you haven't said anything about it.
That doesn't mean I am doing nothing.
Of course, of course. Trust my husband, I know. It's just that it would have been better you hasten up whatever you're doing, because his wife is beginning to notice.
And who cares if she notices or not?
Your Majesty, she's your daughter-in-law.
Says who?
The Igul of Ugoloma, of course.
Woman, why are you so easily deceived? And you think I will buy that cock and bull story?
No, Your Majesty. Ugoloma Igul blessed her.
Where? When?
In her dream, of course.
God of my ancestors. Why is it that women are so easily deceived? Why are they so shallow-minded?
Oh, no, Your Majesty. No. You see, Kasi can't do anything but lie. I know that girl. I know everything about her. I know her parents. I watched her grow up. In fact, that was why I groomed her for my son. She says something spectacular about that girl that made me pick her among all the maidens. She's a good girl. The eagle came right inside her dream and perched her on top of her bed. Yes.
Indeed. The Ugoloma perched on her. And she's right now flowing with the spirit of Ugoloma. Indeed, the thing is even pushing her around. Well, thank the gods you said it wasn't a dream.
Was that why you never wanted to call?
See, babe. Not that I don't love you. You know I do. But the problem is, there is something about that girl I can't explain.
Seriously? After 3 years? 3 good years. You sought me. Wake up to say that it's over between us. That you've seen a girl. That you've seen another woman. Do you have conscience?
Sophia, when I told you I still love you, I'm saying the truth. I've never cheated on you. I swear I've never cheated on you, and I still love you. The fact is that I'm so confused. I just want you to understand.
Understand, you say? He wants me to understand. Sophia, why wouldn't you understand? So after wasting my life for 3 years, you want me to understand?
Sophia, you see, like I said, you need to...
Don't touch me. Don't dare touch me. Don't.
What in God's name are you doing here? How may I help you?
Ihoma, I know you're terribly hurt. You're upset with me. But please, I can explain.
Explain what? Explain why you're a coward? What do you want to explain?
That was too harsh.
Oh, really? Is it worse than what you did to my friend? You see, you're such an ungrateful fool. I warned Sophia about you, but she wouldn't listen. She was blinded by love. Now see what you've cost her. You see?
See, Sophia, this shouting of yours is really uncalled for. I only want you to help me explain things to her.
You want me to help you and explain things to her? Okay. What do you want me to explain to her?
Ihoma, the truth of the matter is, I've never cheated on her. I am just so confused at this moment. I don't really know what to do.
Are you serious, Gosiora? Okay, you saw another woman and all of a sudden you're doubting the love you have for Sophia. After all she has done for you, you are such an ungrateful fool. Now get out of my house.
Ihoma!
Get out of my house!
Are you serious? You're asking me to leave your house?
Oh, Gosiora. You are highly welcome to my house. In fact, triumphant entrance. You can come inside the house. You see, by the time I go in and come out, you will see what I will do to you.
Take.
So it's not enough that you've already broken my heart. You still want to pay me off out of your life. Gosiora, our love never meant anything to you.
Sophia, it's not like that. Don't reason it that way. See, we are adults, and I've seen you to be a very considerate fellow. Please, I'm not trying to pay you off, okay? Just accept it as a gift.
I can't place it. I still can't believe you can do this to me. So you want to pay me off? You want to pay me off with 3 million naira? I wish I could, but no. I can't take this. Money can't buy the good memories I shared with you. I don't need it. I don't need it.
Sophia, I'm really sorry for causing you so much pain.
And who allowed this man into this house? What did you tell her?
Nothing, Ihoma. I only came here to make peace.
Peace kill you there! Get out of this house! Oh, really? You came to pay her off? I think you've lost your senses, and I will help you get it back. Just wait here.
I wish I listened to you. Look at what you're saying to me. It's causing me a lot of pain.
Stop crying, eh? You shouldn't have allowed him in. Eh? It's okay, you don't have to cry, okay?
Mother, please, I am set and all dressed to go. Let me go. I'm told that if I go to the stream side, it will solve my predicament, or at least it will help.
Says who? Who said that? Look, they simply want to kill you for me. And I am not going to take that.
Mom.
You are not going anywhere.
Mom, I do not like what you're doing. Please stop it. Let me go.
Just imagine the nonsense they are telling you and you're even believing them. Who think goes to the stream? Did you know anything can happen to you and nobody will be there to save your life? Look, if that is the only solution, then it's not going to work.
Mother, nothing is going to happen to me. I'm a grown man. Nothing will happen to me. Even Father has assured me himself.
Story. Look, I am not going to allow you go to that isolated place. Not on my life.
That's fine. I'm just going to tell Father that you are more or less disobeying his order because he asked me to go.
Fine.
So I'm going to tell him.
Go ahead. Tell your father. Tell anyone that cares to know. Tell the police. I don't care. They will have to kill me first before they will kill you.
Father! Father!
I enjoy that food. No matter what you can cook now. I didn't enjoy it.
Please enter your compound.
Isn't all that guy I told you about?
Which guy?
The one that said he wants to marry me. The one that bought land for fish pond.
Hope he said yes.
Said yes. Are you okay? How can I say yes? Are you serious? For what?
Hi, ladies.
Hi, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
I've not seen you before.
I'm Kelechi, Kamara's friend.
Oh, I see. Kamara, how are you?
I'm fine.
Hey, go see her, my son. How are you?
I'm fine, ma. How have you been?
Fine, no. I'm just the way you left me. No TV they call.
Mama. I actually went to the city to take care of something that needed my urgent attention.
It's all right. But the good thing is that you're back now. Hey, Kamara, why are you still standing? Go and get him to sit down.
Oh, no, Mama. I'll come back later. I only came here to drop the things I brought for you and Kamara.
Huh?
Yeah.
You bought something for us?
Yes,
Chimo.
yeah.
Dalo.
Thank you. Kamara, send me off to the car so that I will get the things for you.
I need to bring it by yourself.
Sure, go and get it. Nah, Dalo, eh? God bless you.
Thank you, ma.
Hey.
Mama, what is it now?
What's up?
What is it?
What's up?
Mama, what is it? Mama, leave me alone now, Mama. Is it by force?
Why do you want to force me to marry somebody I do not love? Just because he has money?
You see that man? You have finished marrying him. I am telling you.
Mama, I'm not going to marry him. Yes, I am the prince's chosen bride. The prince is my husband.
No, keep dreaming. Soon you will realize what you did to yourself. Look at the huge blessing you want to push away because of your foolishness.
Mama, I'm not foolish. I'm not foolish now. I know what I saw. Mama, the Ugoloma ego perched on me. I know what I saw and nobody can take it away from me. I am sure of what I saw.
You are lucky you're not close to me and be uttering this nonsense. I would have given you the beating of your life.
Mama, you have to stop this. You have to stop it. Stop it now.
I am not going to stop. Yes, I will not stop. You want to kill me in this house? You will not kill me. No, come and kill me. Else, I will kill you.
Mama, you're my mother. I cannot kill you. I cannot kill you now, I can't kill you.
Ever since I got married to your father in this house, I have been suffering. And now that the gods have decided to bless us, you want to push the blessing away because of your stupidity.
Mama, no. You're the one trying to push me away here. That's what you're trying to do.
You are still talking. So you have the effrontery to talk back at me up here.
Mama, leave me alone. Mama, leave me alone.
Okay, I will deal with you. You must marry him. Yeah. I am tired of poverty. If you're not, I am tired. Okay, yeah.
What? Now, what is it? What is it? You see, all of you should just leave me alone, though. Leave me alone now, what is it? What?
Kamara, please. You just little thing, just help us convince that man to pay us. He has just refused to pay us. He is insisting that he must see the document.
So how does that concern me? How is it my business? I do not want to be part of your evil deeds. I don't want to do it. What is your problem now?
Kamara, we are still saying the same thing. You don't want to be part of us, no problem. All you need to do is just help us convince him so that he would pay. We'll take everything from there.
All of you, see, I'm warning you. Leave me alone, no. I'm warning you for that. Don't disturb me. What is it? All of you should just leave me alone, please.
What did I say wrong now? I've never seen her in this kind of mood before.
It's not better for me to leave the house for her. No, you should making life unbearable for me. Every time she's shouting, am I the cause of the poverty in the family? What's it?
It's working. It worked. It worked. Have an erection. What? Who's there? Where is she? Where is the lady? Where?
Oh, it's in now. Where did it keep you now? Which can work out this one now? I don't understand. Again? Where did you get this money from?
I told you, nothing is impossible with Ekene.
Papa, tell me true now. Which one? Nothing is impossible with Ekene. Where did you get? Make you not be say you don't the thief. Make you not be say you don't the thief at all.
I no be thief. I no be thief. Oh yeah, guess where the money.
I am not ready with your this guessing game. Tell me where you got this money from. I assume guess. Guess what?
You too lazy. Now my problem with you be that you too lazy. Only to guess na problem. I come and tell you.
You see me? Na lie. I don't believe that. You're not rich.
I not rich.
No. No go be happen.
I not rich. Dey there, me pant they wear you. Me, Ekene, I have left you.
Ekene, you still don't want to tell me where you got this money from. Hold on.
Make you no be say you went behind to collect money from our client too. Ekene?
How I won't even take to that kind thing. I can't do that to you, my friend. I don't tell you waiting give me this money. You either believe it or you don't.
Boy, this one a pepe. Boy, see money. Wait now, I'm not running with your money, Joe.
Papa, I don't care. Just give me back my money.
Wait, the thing is this now. You give me small. Or don't you have plans of giving me any?
I know they give you shishi. We be obedient. We know they give shishi. Give me my
waiting. You put it to the hot. Nobody you carry the money come and just hold and now you put it to the shake. Eh? Just hold and I just why you go to say you no go give me small? And me and you they run 1 or 2 together. You don't reach money now, you don't the
go also your give me my own.
Wait give me now. So you no want give me anything.
I know they give you.
Now you go follow me.
So who is the maiden in question?
Oh no, I have no idea. I don't know. I searched everywhere, I looked everywhere, and there was no one to be found.
I am surprised at the question, no. How can you be asking such a question when my son is obviously with the right woman?
And who is the right woman?
Your Majesty, Miss Cassie is the right woman for my son.
And why would you think so?
Because I remember she insisted on following my son to the stream. I tried everything to stop her, but she insisted. Smart girl.
In other words, what you're saying is that she secretly followed him to the stream.
Exactly, Your Majesty. Because after then, I checked in her room and she was nowhere to be found.
Interesting. So how come the prince did not take notice of her movement if actually she followed him to the stream?
Oh no. Oh no, remember I said secretly. As a smart girl, she must have hid herself somewhere for fear of being caught.
Why don't we stop assuming and hear from the horse's mouth?
Exactly. Let us wait for her to come back.
I don't know, she go leave me now. This is my house.
Stop. Pushing him already. He will leave.
Tell us to leave now.
Stop, Kamara.
Leave me alone. He should leave me. Leave me. Am I the only girl in this community? I do not love you. I don't want to be with you. Can't you just let me rest? Leave me now. What is it?
Kamara, calm down. I'm sorry that I'm bothering you this much. But I can't help it just because I love you. I can't take my heart away from you.
Can you just go? You're still talking. I'm going to...
No.
Tell
please,
him to
please,
go
please,
now.
Please.
He should leave
okay,
me.
He will leave. Just calm down first.
Leave.
He will leave. Please calm down first. Please.
Is it by force? What is all this?
Here, are you serious? What is going on here?
Hey, Homa, what are you doing here?
I should be asking you, this is my community.
Wow. Interesting.
Yes, so very, very, very interesting. Very amazing. Oh, you know him. Amazing. Very interesting. Oh, true. It's very interesting. Please help me tell him to leave me alone. He should leave my life alone. I don't want to have anything to do with him. He should leave my compound and stop disturbing me.
Wait. Let it not be what I'm thinking. Wait. Gosiera, I am not done talking.
Go! Bye-bye, go! Close my gate, Seth. What is it?
Come, Kamara. You need to tell me everything that just happened.
I don't even want to talk about this man. I don't want to talk about him.